I have this ShurFlo water pump in my tent trailer and it stopped working. So I called around to see about getting a replacement for it, and it was going to run me probably about $150. So I thought maybe I should take a shot at trying to fix it. So the problem, it appears, is down here. We would have power going in from the tent trailer. Would plug into a male end that's in there. The male end got all corroded and it came out. So I'm going to open this up, have a look, and see if there's anything I can do about that without having to replace the whole unit. So this looks like this is going to pop right open. There we go. So here you can see how this whole business works. Is the pressure from the water pump will keep pumping until the pressure is so much that it depresses this down, and that forces that little piece to go and flick this switch right here, and that's where our broken piece is coming from, right in there. So we're going to look to see about replacing this broken piece. If I can get in here, and there we go. That wasn't too bad. This is an Omron switch, and it's got two settings the way these come as, NC and NO. NC stands for normally closed, and NO stands for normally open. So this particular one is a normally closed one. And so that means that it operates when closed, and only when the pressure is put on and the button is depressed, that's where it shuts off. And then when the pressure is released and the button is let out, it goes back into a closed mode, and that's when it turns on. So this piece used to be in there, but now it's not. I went and had a look on Amazon to see if I could replace this. Now, the name brand Omron was difficult to find, but I was able to find a 4-pack of this kind of no-name brand switch, and it's identical. It has the NC male end there, and so this was I got 4 of these for $12. I'll put a link in the description below. So the way this should work is this guy should pop into here. Not quite as identical as I thought they were. Tiny little ridge up there. Gonna have to come off for it to fit in here. So let's work on that. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that little ridge off right there. That should allow me to drop that right into place. I got my Dremel. I'm going to give it a try here. Okay, so I was able to clean that up with the Dremel. Take it off. Let's see if we can get this guy in there now. like it could just use a little bit more cleaning up. Not quite sitting flush. So, a little bit more. So I also had to clean up that part a little bit, create a little extra space. But now, and she slides. So I'm going to be able to plug in on both spots. Should be good to go. So we'll put this back together. Let's see if it works. Okay, now we'll mount this guy. Let's put a couple of bolts in just to hold it in place. Give it a test. They just hand tighten these. And this is the filter. Same thing. Hand tighten it. One thing I did learn is that you got to make sure the plastic cap here is tightened all the way on, or else it will not have enough pressure. So it's not going to go any further than that. I guess I probably should have plugged this in before. Okay. This is the part that snapped off last time. So there we go. Plugged in. Need my fuse. Put you in. The fuse. Alright. Moment of truth. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Like I knew what I was doing. Well, there you go. I guess I just saved myself 150 bucks. $3 repair was pretty simple. Used the Dremel to go and clean up the where it was housing, and 10 minutes fixed. Very nice.